What's up guys, my name is Neff and we're still working on the YouTube tutorials. Now I created a dummy channel, this guy right here, and since there's nothing here, I'm using my own channel as an example. So I'm gonna close this and we're now gonna be, this is my channel. As time of recording, I only have 79 subscribers. So you won't see anything about monetization, any analytics, any money earned. I'm not doing this to earn money. Seriously, I'm just doing it for fun. Just a hobby. Everyone needs a hobby, right? So this video is going to be about YouTube Studio. Now, if you've been doing YouTube for a long time, maybe even longer than me, I've only been doing it for almost 2 years. You can see here, anniversary of my channel. 23rd of June 2018, but I started uploading around July because I didn't know what to do with the channel. Anyways, don't care about that bullshit, so we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. Again, if you were doing YouTube before, there is YouTube Classic and you have an option to use this platform as beta or whatever you want to pronounce that. And this, I'm just going to show you the Creator Studio Classic. You're going to get these, of course, like other submit. If a product is old, it will always have the legacy or the term legacy. So legacy classic. This is what it used to look like. And this is what it looked like when I was starting out. I'm not used to this anymore, to be honest with you, and I highly suggest you use the new YouTube Studio. So if I'm gonna go here, actually looks different now, right? It really looks different. Creator Studio, and you go back to the latest YouTube Studio, right? Now just refresh. I'm gonna start again from scratch. So how do you get to YouTube Studio? Just in case, you click your picture top right, you click your channel. Now once you're here, click YouTube Studio, and this is where all the magic begun, or big starts, whatever. Now we're gonna start with the obvious one, monetization. For monetization to work, you need 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 public watch hours. This is hours. Take note, hours. Alright, we're gonna go back with this. So this shows all the information you need. Now for the dashboard, it will show you the last video that you uploaded, how many views, average view duration, like how long someone watched a video on your channel, how many subscribers you have, watch hours. This one will always change. It will also show you anyone who recently subscribed to you. Then comments. I'm just gonna go into this one by one. I'm gonna leave this out. So we'll go with analytics first. Of course, it will show you how many, again, number of subscribers, how much someone earned. I'm okay to show this because I'm not earning anything, honestly. How much views you have, and if you scroll down, it will show you the most popular one and how much average, or the average view duration someone watched it. Like this, at least for my very first unboxing in this channel, someone watched it for 1 minute and 37 seconds. The number of views, and in terms of percentage, right? So these are my top viewed videos, top ones. Comments, if you click the comments, someone replies, I'm gonna like his comment. You can see it here. Hi Basetown. I'm sorry, I'm not replying to your comments. You can see here, why do these morons have blah? There is a way. I've never tinkered with the comments, and I can't remember if it was Angry Joe. He mentioned it on one of his videos. There's a way to put a filter on the comments. So if someone used a certain word, YouTube will automatically delete that word. So if someone cursed, said bullshit or fuck you, YouTube will delete that. Like, it's automatic. So he mentioned it on his video, Angry Joe, that if you're seeing comments being deleted, blah blah blah, then it's not him doing it, it's YouTube. And if you have, imagine if you have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers, there's no way you can browse through all the comments and delete what's inappropriate. I mean, you might need to hire someone or a team to delete those things if you really want to, right? If you really want to. There's also likely spam. You will get this. You can approve it. I had like 4 here before, and there were links to click on something. Don't click those. Now this is completely random though. This is completely random. So if you approve it, you're gonna go here and you'll see all the comments, right? So, and even what video he or she left a comment. Subtitles, I've never really tinkered with this. Never. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to add subtitles. Now settings, right here, general currency. I don't know how this works. I'm not sure if it's gonna affect the money you earn, because I'm from the Philippines. So it should be Philippine peso, but I changed my location to the United States. Sometimes some videos are not available for the Philippines or for a certain country. I know you can, if you change your location, it will allow you to view it, not because it's inappropriate or might have something that doesn't follow YouTube's guidelines. It's just not available in your country. I think the best example I can give is I forgot the name of the singer, but it's a Star Wars song and a spoof of something. I forgot what it was, but it's not available for the Philippines. Weird. So from here, in the settings, channel, you can see here basic info, branding, if you have a certain brand, advanced settings, keyword. You see here, this is where it's at. I'm sorry, I forgot where it was. Country, you can change to United States. Now the countries that you will see here depends not just on the country or where YouTube is available. I think it also depends on the YouTube partnership program. So if you're aiming to earn money on YouTube and the content you upload or you work on, you have to check the YouTube partnership program. If your country is not part of the YouTube partnership program, you will never earn any money on YouTube. I created my own channel. I didn't know there was actually a YouTube partnership program, mostly because I don't aim to earn money here. I'm just really doing this as a hobby, just something to pass the time, to be honest. So yeah, it's right here. Upload defaults. I go here. Title, I usually just leave this blank. Right here is where I put my social media, Twitter. I should delete my Twitch, but I'm just leaving it there. I'm not active there anymore. Instagram, don't put your Facebook here. Best recommendation I can give. Do not put your Facebook here or in YouTube, especially if you only have one Facebook account and it has a lot of personal information. Because I think a year or 2 years ago, people would just check in where they are. For example, someone, I think it's just mostly someone flexing. They went to like a really expensive or stayed at an expensive hotel or ate somewhere that's really expensive. Like they check in. Yeah, social climbers. Anyways, you don't care about that. Here is what I have on each of my videos. I have my build. So from my case, CoolerMaster, what's pre-installed in the case, my motherboard, my processor, my CPU cooler. It's an AIO all in one liquid cooler. I have 2 pairs of RAM, so this I have 32 gigabytes of memory now. So I changed it here. My GPU, Seasonic, I changed this. I can't even remember my old or the name of my old Seasonic power supply. That lasted for 7 years. I changed it. I bought the new power supply February 17 at PC Hub Gilmore. Recommended store. No issues whatsoever. Been going to that store for 10 years. No problems. And DynaQuest PC. They don't know who I am, okay? They don't know who I am. But those are the 2 shops I'd go to first. And I even wait for months for a product to show up at their store. Then I buy it from them. So yeah, there you go. TKL keyboard. I also just bought this. This is new. This one I bought last year. But everything's here. From the mic stand to the microphone I'm using right now when I'm talking. This is a condenser microphone. You can put whatever you want here. So when you're uploading a video, you don't have to copy paste something again and again and again and again. I was doing that before. Yeah, it's crap. Visibility. This is pertaining to your videos. I suggest you change it to private. Before, when I'm uploading a video, I'd always make a mistake and set it to public. If you set it to public but it's supposed to be private and on a schedule or to be uploaded on a schedule, what you have to do is you have to set it to private first, save it, then go back, change it to scheduled. So setting your default or upload default to private will save you a lot of time and pain. Yeah. Now, audio library. I highly suggest you browse through the audio library for YouTube because there's a lot of copyright claims going on in YouTube. A lot of copyright claims. These are all royalty free and you can use it. You can, for example, you're looking for a music, let's say like for your intro and your outro, you can find one here. You can definitely find one here. The one I use for my HyperX video, I'm not sure if it's up yet. Alloy, right here. The part, yeah, it's not. I don't think it's up yet. This is still hidden. The part where, or at least it's not published yet by the time of this recording. I have so many videos. It's gonna last me until 2nd or 1st week of March. But just to show you. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm gonna move up here. That part. This part right here. This music that I used is from YouTube's audio library. I forgot the name, but it's somewhere here. I'm gonna look for that file. I'm gonna save it somewhere. No, it's still on my computer, but you can just download it, right? Cinematic and Calm. I know it's Calm, the one I used for music, but using the audio library will save you from copyright claims. Just avoid copyright claims. It's not gonna hinder the performance of your channel. It's not like you're getting flag or red flag or whatever, but if you're aiming to earn money on YouTube and you get a copyright claim, whoever did the copyright claim, the money goes to them. Okay, going back, that's about it. Send feedback. Don't really use this. Creator Studio Classic. If you want the old YouTube, the old way to upload a video, that's entirely up to you. I suggest use the new platform because even the new platform, if someone is gonna copyright claim your video, it's easier to edit here. What will happen is I can't show it. I haven't received any. I got one for Cuphead. Actually, it will tell you if there's a restriction. This copyright claim right there. Copyright claim, copyright claim, copyright claim. my Batman videos. I'm just gonna show it. So I stopped getting this. All Batman Arkham Origins I uploaded. While it's getting uploaded, I was getting copyright claims. Like I was getting spammed in my email. Like what the heck? Anyways, yeah, that's about a tour for the YouTube studio. I'm gonna do a separate video for uploads and playlist. That's gonna be the next video. So if you like what you see, you like seeing this tutorial, you can hit like, you can subscribe. It will help me out. At least I want to at least get to 100 subscribers before I quit. If you're also getting more views, I know this is insane, but these are buggy. Don't really pay any attention to them. I don't pay attention to them. I seriously don't. But if you like what you see, please just help me out. I want to get to at least 100 subscribers, at least before I quit. Give or take, I'm gonna do YouTube for 5 years. So I'm at 2 years. I have 3 years left, right? Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. What's up, Mr. Beast? Thank you.